Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today's video is very important because we're going to break down the markets together. So don't hesitate to subscribe. And thank you to those who are already subscribed to the channel that brings you golden signals every day. These are what we call the golden signals, the ones that let you know when to buy or sell a stock every day for free, right here on our YouTube content. That's the concept of our channel, so don't hesitate to subscribe to us. We're going to give you these golden signals every day, the ones we find on the financial markets, and we do it for free. Don't forget as well that the free training we're launching on YouTube for the first time is coming very soon. So don't hesitate to subscribe and click on the notifications. That way you'll get notified when the videos are released. All right? So thank you very much. We're starting this video with an analysis and breakdown of today's market, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing great. I told you, my friends, in the last videos, for those who watched and bought in, you did really well. You bought at 80,000, right at the support level we recommended, and now you're clearly not regretting it because you're already up 10% from the 80,000 level we marked together. So that's really good. BTC is once again respecting the technical rules of the market. It's holding the support level very well, and that, my friends, is a very good sign. So, well done to you all. The second topic is NVIDIA. So, NVIDIA, you've understood my point of view. Personally, I won't buy NVIDIA unless it drops to 150. I won't buy NVIDIA as long as it doesn't drop to 150. I'll say it again. And now, my friends, why is that? First off, even if it goes up today, even if it gains 2%, lie. This is what we call a head and shoulders pattern in the markets. Here you see we have a first shoulder, a head, and a second shoulder. And here we have what's called the market's neckline. It's a kind of support level. And that, my friends, is a bearish signal in the markets. So technically, NVIDIA is in sell mode. Don't buy NVIDIA at 180. The fair value for NVIDIA is right here. It's around 150 or even less for the coming days and weeks. Once again, NVIDIA is a very good stock, but for the long term, okay, I agree with you. But right now, if you buy it, you're really ignoring a very important technical signal. Technically, NVIDIA is bearish right now, okay? Don't forget that. Keep this signal in mind, this golden signal that we've broken down for you. Once again, it's free. We're giving you this to help people with financial education for free, okay? Second topic, Tesla. Tesla, as you can see, we told you with a trend line drawn once, twice, 3 times. Every time the market bounces, it comes back to rebound at this trend line. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And the more it does, the stronger it gets. That's what we call the neckline of the signs. So this was a clear signal that the market gave us for free, and now you can see it's already up 6% today. So we told you to buy at the trend line at 380 and you're making $40 per share. That's how the market works. It's easy money. So for those who didn't do it, it's okay, as they say. The market is always moving. If you miss one train, there are others coming. Don't be disappointed. Just subscribe and we'll create this for you. We'll give you these signals every day. Every day a signal. Every day a golden signal. If you want to take it, that's great. It's your choice. If you don't want to take it, that's also your choice. But what's important is that you understand why we give this signal and why we consider it important. And you need to educate yourself. That's what we always say about the markets. So Amazon is the same. Personally, I wouldn't buy Amazon unless it's below $210, just like NVIDIA. It's very simple. I consider the support at 210 to be very solid, a very good level to enter. But for now, there's clearly no bullish momentum on Amazon. With Microsoft, again, that was a good call we made, telling you to be careful, there's support at 490, and right now, it's not moving. The price is dropping sharply on Microsoft, even though right now it's rebounding by 0.6%. The downward trend is still clearly there, present, with a break of this very important support. And personally, I'm looking to position myself more around $400. So really, at that level, $390 to $400 would be a very, very, very good level to buy. Technically, the price of Microsoft on Meta, I told you that for now, I'd rather stay on standby. Even if you see here, it's correcting upward again. I'm waiting. I'm not in a hurry. There are other opportunities right now. There are markets, more significant stocks, like you saw with Tesla, which are more important compared to Microsoft or Meta, except for people who want to short or who aren't in a rush. So honestly, don't hesitate to go for it. Go for it, but take it slow. Here, we're drawing a little Fibonacci. The market is honestly Meta, I recommend it for people who want to buy in the morning and sell in the evening with very, very quick trades. Don't hesitate to go for it. It's a really good stock that offers quite a bit of volatility. So honestly, I recommend it. But for really short-term trading and for people who want to buy it for a longer-term position, don't hesitate to be much more patient. With Google, once again, we got a very good signal. Here you see, boom, we break through 300. Like I told you, Warren Buffett is buying it, and that's no small thing. That means it's going to create a buzz around Google. And since Warren Buffett isn't just anybody, so if his fund adds Google Alphabet to its portfolio, there are strong reasons to buy it. And just that, the information that Warren Buffett is buying the stock, it creates a bullish momentum. We saw it with Domino's Pizza, for example. So Google to keep in your portfolio. Don't sell, friends. It could still go higher. It's a position to hold for the long term. So I recommend Google right now. Google and Tesla are clearly my favorites at the moment, as you can tell, for long-term positions. For trading, with the volatility, it's very clear that the media are giving a bearish outlook technically, so don't hesitate to short. Now is the time to do it, technically speaking. Again, that's just my opinion. It's not a recommendation. It's not financial advice. Don't hesitate to think for yourselves, too. That's what we teach you on this channel, to make your own decisions. So feel free to do that calmly, but on. And PayPal, oh, what can I say about PayPal? This is today's little bonus that I wanted to show you. PayPal is showing a very sharp drop here. From this level to the high at around 80, we've already lost about 26%, which is quite a significant drop, obviously linked to fundamentals. But technically, we can see that every time PayPal drops sharply, it bounces back strongly. So you see here, it dropped a lot, but around 55, people started buying. So technically, there's a clear opportunity to be had with PayPal. Don't hesitate to take it if you're hoping for a quick 5 to 10% gain in the coming days. It's still doable with PayPal. There's some risk, of course, but technically, if you buy and end up losing, you can tell yourself it's not a big deal because you did what you needed to do, you analyzed the stock properly, you understood that technically, fundamentally, it's already a good stock, and technically, we can see that it respects support and resistance levels quite well, and so on. And it offers very good volatility. And now the upside potential becomes really, really significant. So that's a little bonus. That's PayPal. Once again, don't hesitate to buy it. On other markets, we can talk about the gold market, for example, which is rising sharply right now. As for gold, I personally haven't bought any at the moment. Honestly, I'm waiting for it to drop below $40,000. To give you a buying recommendation for now, I would buy more around 300-400. I can really see gold breaking down again, for example with wars, since it's a safe haven asset. So if the war between Ukraine and Russia ends, which currently seems quite likely with the 28-point proposal sent by President Donald Trump to Ukraine, that's still a positive sign for a possible end to the war. So that's something you shouldn't overlook. For those trading gold, there's a very significant geopolitical risk right now that you shouldn't ignore, okay? And if that geopolitical risk disappears, gold, which is a safe haven asset, will lose value and it will be sudden. So I'm telling you, gold isn't exactly overvalued because that's its market value, but still there's a very significant downside potential. On the commodities markets, to wrap up, we can see that oil is dropping quite a bit. So the downward trend with OPEC adding more supply and demand staying steady in China, all of that is pushing oil prices down, just like all commodities right now, natural gas, etc. So don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe because we're going to bring you even more content in the coming days. And you'll see every time we give out the golden signals, what we call the golden signals, and it's free. Let me remind you, it's free. So don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to get all my videos directly. You'll get them in your notifications, and that's it for me. See you tomorrow for a new video. Thanks, everyone.